the count function. This function counts the number of numeric entries in a list. It will ignore blanks, text, and errors. Simply, it deals with only numeric values, numbers. In Microsoft Excel, dates are regarded as numeric values, so it will count dates. Now let's take this table for instance. Now it is this formula that I have imputed here that yielded this result. Let's see how it works. Count, the syntax is count bracket the range you want to count the numbers. So that's what I've done here. C4 to C4 to E4 give us 3 because we have 3 numeric values in there. This also gives us 3. This gives us 0. You know why? Because these are texts and not numbers. This gives us 3 because these are numeric values. Dates are also numeric values. This gave 2 because yes, it's a text and not a number. And we have this as 3. We have this as 2 because this isn't a numeric value. We have this as 1 because this is the only numeric value here. And here we only have this 2 as numeric value. And error is not counted with count function. So simply it counts numbers. So if you check this one too, it only counts the currency, which is regarded as numeric value. And this also 2 because there are just 2 here and there's no numeric value here. That's why it returns 0. That's all about the count function. Thank you for your time in this lesson. See you again in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and follow us. Thank you.